And this is how the bottom part of the bag lid looks like. And you can see I have used working cord as blue and silver cords as filler cord, so you can see the bits here and there, and the border comes out as silver because the filler cords are the silver. So here you can see I have chopped these three cords, and here we can see on the first line I didn't add any of these three. On the second line I didn't add any of these three, and what I did, I chopped from the sides and added using lighter. And I'm going to do obviously the same on this side as well, and you can see the one cord I have already sticked, and this is going to be my second line. So what I'm going to do on this line is I'm just going to chop these three ends here, and then I'll be using obviously the glue, not the glue, the fire. And then here, when I am going to make this line, I am going to add these cords, silver cords, like this. And then I am just going to simply add. Okay, then now I am simply going to continue the same way and complete this whole thing. And when I come here again, add two more cords. So here you can see I did the same on both sides, but here I can see a lot of gaps. What I'm going to do, use this